I'm going to show you how to create your very own Google Knowledge Panel from scratch, and I bet you won't believe how easy it really is. A Google Knowledge Panel is a powerful tool that can help establish your personal brand, or your business's online presence. It's that little box that appears on the right-hand side of Google search results, providing users with a quick snapshot of information about you or your company. Having a knowledge panel can increase your credibility, drive more traffic to your website, and even improve your search engine rankings. But for many, getting their own knowledge panel seems like a mysterious and elusive goal. Many people struggle to get their own Google Knowledge Panel because they don't have enough information online, or they don't know how to present that information in a way that Google can understand. Others may have incorrect or outdated information scattered across the web, making it difficult for Google to verify their identity. Some might even think they need to be a celebrity or a huge corporation to get a knowledge panel, which simply isn't true. The lack of visibility is another huge challenge. If you're not consistently creating high-quality content, or engaging with your audience, it can be tough to get Google's attention. The question is, and let's be honest, who has the time or resources to constantly monitor their online presence and make sure everything is accurate and up to date? It's no wonder so many people give up on the idea of getting their own knowledge panel. The question is, but what if I told you that getting a Google Knowledge Panel isn't as hard as you think? With the right strategy and a little bit of persistence, you can increase your online visibility, and get your very own knowledge panel in no time. The question is, so, how do you actually create a Google Knowledge Panel? First, you'll need to make sure your information is accurate and consistent across the web. This means claiming and optimizing your Google My Business listing, as well as any other online directories or social media profiles. Next, you'll need to create high-quality, relevant content that showcases your expertise and helps establish you as an authority in your industry. Finally, you'll need to verify your information with Google, which can usually be done through a postcard or phone verification process. The key to getting a knowledge panel is to be consistent and persistent in your efforts. You need to show Google that you're a real person or business with a legitimate online presence. By following these steps, you can increase your chances of getting your own knowledge panel, and unlocking all the benefits that come with it. I want to share a success story with you. My friend Sarah, a fitness coach, was struggling to get her knowledge panel despite having a strong online presence. She claimed her Google My Business listing, optimized her social media profiles, and started creating high-quality content on a consistent basis. Within a few weeks, Google verified her information and she got her very own knowledge panel. Now, her website traffic has increased, and she's even gotten more clients as a result. The key takeaway from Sarah's story is that getting a knowledge panel takes time and effort, but it's worth it in the end. By following the steps I outlined, and persisting in your efforts, you can increase your online visibility, and get your own knowledge panel. In summary, getting a Google Knowledge Panel is within your reach. By being consistent, creating high-quality content, and verifying your information with Google, you can establish your personal brand or business's online presence, and unlock all the benefits that come with it. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or experiences you'd like to share, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to check out my other videos on digital marketing tips and tricks.